Hello, and welcome to another Chef Rhys.
I made your eggs like I told you.
Just get Skittles.
I told you. The S is on the egg.
No, they're Skittles.
He beat me up. Eat the eggs.
Okay, do you have
Don't eat all of them.
Oh, do you have anything special for me?
That's it.
I just gotta eat these Skittles on camera.
I got you those. Put it on
What
one.
are those?
Let me see that Skittle.
What is those? These?
Yes.
Alright, we got the original chocolate syrup, and the Frank's Red Hot.
No.
Put it on a red one.
Oh yeah, that'd be better.
I already got a red one.
Oh, well, put these back in here. Don't waste the eggs.
I constipated.
You are?
No.
Making.
Put a little drop.
Because I can't put a lot on a Skittle. Okay, then in that case, then get this thing.
It's not even on camera.
I know it's not on camera.
Well, it's supposed to be. You have horrible aim.
I know that. Don't.
Get it in my hand.
I got it on your hand. Now eat the egg.
It's a Skittle on an egg, mate.
There's an egg. And if you need, use this. Let me. Oh, you did it.
What the hell?
That's my cooking. Let me try this.
Oh.
This is special.
You suck, Chef Rhys. You suck at cooking.
Oh, well, then that's I don't have a license.
You're not supposed to have a license.
Exactly. So I don't have to have a license.
I bit my tongue.
Oh.
There's a good context here.
Good.
Good. I think everything's good. It's my cooking. Oh God, it's covered.
I can still see it.
This is what I have to deal with every day.
That's the next episode of Chef Rhys.
No, it's not over yet. We still have
Oh,
lot.
the ultimate challenge.
of things to cover in this video.
Huh?
A lot of things to cover in the video. So, tuckers are turned to a mic. Yes. Stop hitting me!
Stop doing that.
The police is gonna see this video. And they'll arrest you for child abuse. But I'm sure this video. We'll get ice. Put hot sauce on it. So, would you please go get the ice for us?
Fine. It's my drink.
Doggy? Happy Easter, by the way. This is gonna be uploaded on Easter. I'm gonna make it be uploaded.
Put it on, Keen.
What was that about? Why did you do that? No, I don't want. This is yours.
You get your own.
I am. Now, back to Chef Rhys for some more
Context.
contacts.
Alright, I'm gonna eat my first. Do I put the chocolate syrup on it too?
You can do what you want.
So I'm gonna try. I got this cold ice cube.
You're cold as ice.
It's like expanding. Yeah, is that? Alright, so see, you got the hot sauce.
My fingers are stuck to a piece of ice.
Well, that's your fault. I got covered in that thing.
No, it's not.
Oh no, King. We didn't remember those.
Okay, so
I gotta
now
do that
the camera angle is bad because
Hot sauce in the way. Alright, I gotta do this again. Get the hot sauce.
he literally put it on the thing and the chocolate syrup went out.
I know. Right. Boop. Boop. Now, why are you standing on the chair? And then only a little. What was that? The ice cube?
Oops.
Oops. Alright, so I think everything just slid off.
Don't spit it out.
It sucked.
Why don't you pussy? Baby, you're cold as ice. Ow!
Yeah. I'm just gonna put this in my drink.
Okay, guys, so I have a problem. Ice cubes always sticking to my finger, and I don't like it.
Who does?
Okay, now my turn. What are you doing?
Oh my god, there's so much chocolate syrup. Why'd you put it on a... Go get a plate. Okay. Alright, guys. I'm gonna put the ice cube here. Oh, it's just sliding.
I know, exactly. That's why I only got a little.
But it is making it red, so... And my fault.
What did I get? Wait.
A plate. Oh, my bad. I didn't mean to do that. Ready?
Come get the plate.
Okay.
Give it to you. What?
Alright guys, so we're having some technical difficulties, so we're gonna have to cut for a second. Alright, we're on again.
Yeah, but I'm cleaning our mess up with paper.
Yeah.
It's super effective.
I got chocolate. And it's raining outside. No, it's not.
Chocolate, right.
Well, it's not raining
I don't know
outside.
why I unpaused it, but technical difficulties still, so.
Alright, so this is shout out time.
Bing, 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 shout out time.
Alright, so we're still going? Okay.
Shout out time. So Rhys is saying so, but now shout out time, boys. Okay. What is the shout out? Who are the shout outs to, Rhys?
Recon TV, fellow YouTuber, my friend. That's the only reason I'm shouting him out.
Subscribe to What's Good YouTube. And
Who else should we shout out?
okay. Shout out to the next person who subscribes, I'll give you a mega shout out.
Yeah, mega shout out.
Next person who subscribes. I know one person just subscribed a couple days ago, yesterday, and then he unsubscribed, I think. So he knows.
And
No,
how we do
we
it?
don't like him. We don't like him.
So how we do a mega shout out is we go outside. Well, I will go outside and yell that person's name.
We also go to a stranger and tell them to shout to go to this person's YouTube channel.
Yeah, because you probably have a I even have my own YouTube channel of my own.
What is it?
Rhys Cuba or something.
Do you post?
No. Eventually.
Eventually you post.
Eventually I will. Alright, is that the end of the video?
No, we still have another
Shout out.
one more really important shout out.
Who?
A mega shout out to, and he was in the last video, but the Clement twins. And you know what we have to do? A mega shout out.
Uh-huh. A mega shout out. Okay, guys.
We'll be right back. Psych, hey, psych. It's not, I mean, honestly, bro, it's a mega shout out, but for this mega shout out, we're not ready for it, so.
I will do it.
In another video, we will say mega shout out to.
I'm gonna do it, Keen. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do
No.
it. Why not?
Not. You have to say it.
What? Yeah.
Okay. So now, I don't know what he's doing,
Me either.
but yeah, mega shout out to the Clementons, and don't worry, Clayton and Porter will get you. Well,
Any more things to say?
no, we're in the video here. Hope you guys enjoy. Hope you have a very good rest of the day. Hopefully this made your day. I don't know. But,
My hand's coming at the button.
okay, but bye guys.
Bye.
Bye. See ya.
There we go.